exactly.
You're doing good. Hold on. Hold on to a stick. You're doing good.
You're a good cheerleader, huh? Helping her get up there. Figure she'll have a good nap today.
Alright, this is easy. Easy. How about yellow heart? We're making a slide for you guys.
Is she falling?
Kind of falling too.
Yeah. Oh.
Watch out.
Oh,
for
River
dirt. Watch out
Rain's
for
right
dirt.
behind her. It
Yeah,
can
so
get in
you-
her eyes.
Yeah.